Are you dreading your long-haul flight? Let's face it, those endless hours in the air can be a real challenge. But fear not, because I've got 5 essential tips to help you say goodbye to discomfort on long flights so you'll feel first class. Stick around till the end because tip number 5 is an absolute game changer. Welcome aboard Linky Lifestyle. I'm Mardi, and together with my husband Michael, we're here to revolutionise your travel experience. Buckle up for some expert advice and thrilling entertainment as we guide you through the art of comfortable flying. Picture this: you're on a never-ending flight, feeling sick, tired and anxious. Sounds familiar, right? Well, worry no more, because I've cracked the code to staying refreshed and ready to conquer your destination. First things first, let's talk clothing. Your outfit can make or break your comfort level during a long flight. No one wants to end up feeling like a hot mess at the end of the journey, and I've got a foolproof flying uniform strategy that ensures both style and comfort. Start with research. It's the key to choosing clothing that suits the weather at your departure and arrival location. Layering up with a loose-fitting dress, leggings, a cardigan, and sometimes a long-sleeve t-shirt is my go-to formula. And always opt for familiar, comfy clothes to avoid any mid-flight wardrobe malfunctions or discomfort. I also take a pair of loose, lightweight tracky pants and a comfy t-shirt to change into on the plane, and a pair of thongs, that's flip-flops, not underwear, or hotel slippers to slip into when leaving my seat. Next up, it's all about entertainment. Flying can be stressful for many, including me. To unwind and relax, bring along your favourite distractions. Obviously, having a massage or a warm bath isn't going to be possible, but whether it's diving into a good book, indulging in some soothing music, or binge watching your preferred streaming series, make sure you have your entertainment essentials ready to soothe your nerves. Now, let's tackle the sleep factor. A good rest during the flight is crucial for a smooth journey. Set the stage for sleep by staying comfy, cool and well hydrated. Establish a pre-sleep routine with light skincare, layered comfortable clothing and perhaps some gentle sleep aids if needed. Remember, a well-rested traveller is a happy traveller. If I don't sleep, I not only end up tired and cranky, watch out Michael, but I also feel nauseated, anxious and hungover. And that's without even having the fun of drinking the alcohol. Hydration is key. Keep yourself hydrated throughout the flight to feel fresh, cool and energised. Ditch the alcohol for a while before sleeping and opt for hydrating fluids to keep your skin and body in top shape. Some airlines will have a bottle of water at your seat when you board. If your airline doesn't provide a bottle, make sure you take on your own bottle that you can get the flight attendants to fill. Last but not least, seat selection matters. Choose your seat wisely based on your preferences and needs. Whether you crave extra legroom or peace and quiet, find the perfect spot that complements your style of travel. If you haven't flown on this airline or type of plane before, try Googling best whichever class you're in seat on airline aircraft. You might find discussion boards or Reddit threads that can help you find that great seat the airlines don't tell you about. Use tools like Seat Guru to score the best seat in the house and breeze through your flight with ease. I'll put a link in the description below. Seat Guru tells you all the nitty-gritty details of seats on your plane. Thank you for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful or have some of your own to share, please drop a comment below and get ready to transform your next long-haul trip into a comfortable and unforgettable adventure. Are you ready to take flight? Subscribe to our channel for more travel insights and exciting content. Your support means the world to us as we embark on this journey together. Here's to smooth skies and happy travels ahead. And one last tip, stay tuned for more in our long-haul flying series. Bye for now.